the wait is over. Triumph has officially entered the enduro segment, and they're making a bold statement. Introducing the 2025 Triumph TF250E and TF450E, two high-performance machines built for the toughest trails, the roughest terrains, and the most demanding riders. Triumph isn't just stepping into the off-road world, they're storming in with expertise from racing legends like Ivan Cervantes and Paul Edmondson. These aren't rebranded models, they're ground-up designs engineered for agility, power, and durability. TF250E, the lightweight powerhouse precision built for sharp handling and explosive acceleration. The TF250E packs an ultra-compact 250cc liquid-cooled engine, designed to dominate technical trails and high-speed sections alike. A forged Koenig aluminum piston, Del West titanium valves, and a Delerto 44mm throttle body work together to deliver instant throttle response and peak efficiency. This is a bike built for riders who crave control, agility, and endurance performance. TF450E, the big bore beast for those who demand raw power and relentless torque, the TF450E delivers. Packed with a 450cc engineered powerplant, this bike is tuned for off-road supremacy. Developed with motocross legend Ricky Carmichael, the TF450E boasts brutal acceleration, precise power delivery, and race-ready durability. A fully adjustable Kybe suspension setup, featuring 48mm coil-sprung forks, ensures that this bike remains planted through the roughest obstacles. With Brembo braking components, three-way adjustable rear suspension, and an ultralight aluminum frame, the TF450E is built to push limits. Chassis, suspension, and technology. Triumph has engineered a lightweight yet incredibly strong aluminum chassis designed to provide ultimate rider control. Whether it's deep sand, rock gardens, or steep climbs, these bikes offer precision handling and effortless maneuverability. Both models come with fully adjustable Kybe suspension for superior terrain adaptability, optimized weight distribution for better cornering stability, Brembo brakes for unmatched stopping power in the toughest conditions, ergonomic rider positioning giving complete control in aggressive riding situations. These aren't just dirt bikes, they are purebred enduro machines designed for winning races and conquering terrains. A game changer for Triumph. Triumph has always been known for its legendary road bikes, but with the TF250 and TF450E, they are making a statement in the off-road world. These machines aren't just competition-ready, they're designed to set new benchmarks in the enduro segment. The big surprise. And here's what makes this even more exciting: Triumph is rumored to be working on a street-legal dual-sport version of these enduro beasts. Imagine taking the TF250E or TF450E from the dirt trails straight to the streets, with the same race-winning DNA. Would you ride one? Are these the enduro bikes you've been waiting for? Would you take the TF250E or TF450E to your next off-road adventure? Drop a yes or no in the comments and let us know. This is Acer Rider, bringing you the latest in the world of motorcycles. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the most thrilling two-wheeled machines. Until next time, ride hard, ride safe.